Welcome everyone to HueFin Trade Different. Today, October 24th, 2019, here to give you all this update on XRP. Before I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and then like and share these videos on this platform, and then join us and follow us on Twitter, join us and follow us on Facebook, and then on top of that, we got a website too, HueFinancial.com. All of those links will be in the description of this video. Let's dive right on into our video for XRP. Last time our video was done for XRP was on the 21st of October, and we played the market on a small time frame for our chart of the anticipation of the market in XRP to move lower, and we kept our long-term objective in play. Okay, now we continually have told each and every one of you, if you are an avid watcher of our XRP videos, that the market in XRP has shown us that 30 cents is where the market is finding resistance, and I want to show you where that weakness definitely came into the market that created this massive spread that came into the market yesterday, and it was right here. This particular bar on the 22nd of October is what caused the following trading day. That was the confirmation to let you know that 30 cents is still a hard area of resistance in the market for XRP. So now let's digest what we said on our previous video on the 21st of October in XRP. So at that particular time, we were doing our video right here, okay, because we expected the market in XRP to move to the downside in price. Now it has done that. This is where you could have sat back in your seat if you're suspecting the market in XRP to move lower. This 4-hour bar definitely gives you your answer that you are on the right track to see this cryptocurrency move lower. And look at the result. It completely fell off, right? It even came all the way down and touched 25 cents again for support. So now, if we were to get rid of our longer term outlook to where we're expecting XRP to move higher, and we got out right here at our support area, it had been a loss about 2.89%. Okay, or if we get out now, it's going to be about 4.5%. Okay, for our wider price target that we originally had placed. So 4.53% will be the loss for the longer term longer term price target. And if we were to take the profit on our short term one to where we get out the market now, it will be about 4.1%. Okay, so we will still be about a minimal loss if we were to get out exactly where we are at today on the recording on this video. But obviously, playing this one on a 4-hour chart, we've gotten out somewhere around this particular area to where we got this consolidation of trading. Okay, so that will be about 7.98% profit on the smaller outlook that we did in XRP. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch this out to a bigger time frame because we want to see overall what's going on into the market in XRP. And again, you can see right here that we're just consolidating. Nothing into the market is really that dramatic from a bigger scale. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that ascension line and create a support area in the market for XRP on a wider scale. Okay, so this is what we're going to play with in the market for XRP. We all know 25 cents is where the market in XRP is holding support quite well, and we're going to play with that as we continue to push forward throughout the rest of 2019. Okay, and I'm going to extend this one out a little bit further because the market is still finding 30 cents for resistance as well. Okay, now what's occurring into the market so far today on this weekly price bar is real negative because the spread of the bar encompassed the last 3 weeks of trading in the market for XRP. That is how strong that 30 cents area is for XRP for resistance. Okay, taking a look at XRP on the monthly time frame. we're still looking pretty good from a monthly perspective to at least see XRP consolidate and hold at 25 cents for support at least. Okay, so I'm not really seeing any directional movement in XRP on a monthly time frame, and going forward the weekly time frame, again, I'm still getting the expectation of consolidational trading. I don't see a movement outside of that 30 cent price area right now. All right, but with all that volume that came in on the daily time frame, and we're still closing toward the high of the bar today, it's pretty good in the market for XRP. The 4-hour chart is still looking pretty good as well into the market for XRP. We might come and hit, 28.5 cents, and that's about it. Let me take a look and see how much that would be. So about almost 2% market move to the upside in XRP. So again, I'm not expecting a lot of movement in the market for XRP. At least we can expect this market to hold some consolidational trading. We might come up here to this resistance line in XRP. So I'm not going to put in a price target. I'm just still seeing this market trying to hold this wider area of consolidational trade. So I'm just going to put a price range in the market for XRP of where we expect this coin to trade over the next couple of days until we come back and do another video. Okay. So it's maybe about like a 9% difference that we can see this market in XRP trade. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. We're going to hold that there on a daily basis into the market in XRP. I'm not really expecting a lot to go on into this coin just yet. We got to recoup ourselves and rearrange the market in XRP after yesterday's and the day before trading day. Okay, so very simple to see, very easy to understand. I'm not here to confuse you, as so many people are with their jargon, with the indicators that they have on a chart. It is simplistic. It is supposed to be simple. You're just literally supposed to look at price charts and make a very quick determination as to whether or not it's going to be moving higher or lower. So be careful of those individuals that are simply giving you mass confusion with the price charts that they use. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.